Hi there. Let's talk about how to stop this mess on a fast drying medium. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. Okay, you caught me. I did this mess. I forgot to open up the bottle the way I normally opened it, and I opened the full lid and poured it out and made one heck of a mess. So let me tell you what I normally do for my mediums. Let me go get my bottle. So I ended up getting a new bottle. It's closed. What I usually do is I just poke a hole in the middle, and then I pour it out that hole. When I'm done with it, I just wipe it off with a paper towel and put the lid on it. Make sure the lid's clean. Make sure the round of the outside of the bottle's clean. Wipe all that down. Then put the lid on. Make sure the lid's nice and tight. And then I take a cup and I make sure it's stored upside down. So I hope that helps you. Until next week, I love you guys. Bye-bye.